Mappers allow you to apply values to fixtures based on one of their channels. For example, you can change the color of a projector based on its intensity, or adjust the focus of your spot based on its zoom. For our example, we will create a mirror that changes the color of our spots based on their tilt channel. To create this mirror, I go to the Mappers window and click on Add at the top right. First, I need to specify the channel that the mirror will listen to. Here I select Tilt. Next, I add my group of spots to my selection. I will create my first step. I want my spots to be blue when the tilt is below 50%, so I set the step value to 0 and choose my preset number 21 for my second step. I duplicate my first step and enter the value 50%. I indicate to my mirror that it should stay blue between 0 and 50%. For my last step, I duplicate the second step, increase the step value to 100%, and enter 31 in my preset. My mirror knows it should be white at 100%. If I launch my mirror and move the tilt of my spots, I see that the color depends on the tilt. This also works with an effect or a carousel.